2023 Ford F-Series Super Duty redesign, new engines, more tech. 2023 Ford F-Series Super Duty. Ford revealed its new work and play truck at Churchill Downs, site of the Kentucky Derby. Design changes are evolutionary, but we'll focus on under-the-skin changes. 6.8-liter gasoline engines are now standard. It uses the previous generation's mid-cycle upgrades 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 engine. Ford upgraded the 6.2-liter engine with a bigger one for more low-end torque and the segment's most powerful basic gasoline engine. Today we'll reveal Ford's power claim. Ford's 10-speed automatic replaces the 6-speed automatic. Ford claims this year's 7.3-liter V8's tuning and air intake system boost power and torque. For Powerstroke V8 diesel lovers, Ford will offer two 6.7-liter turbodiesels. Ford claims the standard diesel engine's oil capacity will allow longer oil change intervals. High output, Powerstrokes with updated turbos, exhaust manifolds, and tunes create more power and torque. This high-output diesel engine will maximize towing, hauling. Diesel engines lack power figures too. Ford claims best-in-class gooseneck, fifth wheel, torque, and payload. Again, no final data. Ford claims the Super Duty frame is optimized. New sheet metal. New electrical design enables all the new innovation we'll discuss. Ford claims new shocks improve unladen ride. Predictable cab, bed possibilities. Regular, supercab, and crew cab Fords will stay. F250 and higher regular series will be available. Super Duty exterior design. Ford has 7 front grille designs. Ford says the grille wraps around the C-clamp LED headlights to make the vehicle look bigger and safeguard the headlights from low-speed accidents. Ford says bigger side vents are aerodynamic. Trail turn assist and tremor off-road package will continue in the next generation. Ford's new XL off-road package, inspired by mining industry's use of Ford vehicles, offers affordable off-road capability for worksites. 33-inch off-road tires, a larger air dam, water-fording axle vent tubes, skid plates, and an electronic locking rear differential. Ford offered STX, Sport, and Black cosmetic aesthetic improvements. The new Super Duty's rear bumper includes steps like GM's HD trucks. They provide bed access without crawling. Ford installed a bed step for front and side access. Ford stated the tailgate step is lower and easier for shorter persons. Pro Power onboard and an F150 beating bed. A 2.0 kW system replaces the F150 PowerBoost Hybrid's 7.2 kW. Fuel-only F-150s. Ford claims it will be standard on Super Duty Lariat and above but optional on lower models. The 2.0 kW Pro Power onboard is enough for tailgates, on-site work, and other recreational activities. Ford improves interiors. A redesigned dash design. The standard infotainment system's 8-inch screen replaces the 4.0-inch monitor. The F150 and above variants have 12-inch displays. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster enhances the screen. Ford's 5G modem speeds infotainment system downloads. Expect over-the-air software updates to improve the system. It creates a 10-user Wi-Fi hotspot. Wireless charging and 4 USB ports. Full-color HUD. New F-150 Max recline seats and work surface are available. Ford favored tactile buttons for gloved labor. The central console was lowered for easier access. New innovation abounds in this Super Duty. The truck's touchscreen controls Ford's new Ford Pro Upfit integration system. Limitless. To control cranes, you can map your own functions to tablet upfit menu buttons. Ford says you can add safety interlocks, such as preventing a high boom lift from shifting into drive. (2023 Ford F-Series Super Duty redesign, new engines, more tech. 2023 Ford F-Series Super Duty. Ford revealed its new work and play truck at Churchill Downs, site of the Kentucky Derby. Design changes are evolutionary, but we'll focus on under-the-skin changes. 6.8-liter gasoline engines are now standard. It uses the previous generation's mid-cycle upgrades 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 engine. Ford upgraded the 6.2-liter engine with a bigger one for more low-end torque and the segment's most powerful basic gasoline engine. Today we'll reveal Ford's power claim. Ford's 10-speed automatic replaces the 6-speed automatic. Ford claims this year's 7.3-liter V8's tuning and air intake system boost power and torque. For Powerstroke V8 diesel lovers, Ford will offer two 6.7-liter turbodiesels. Ford claims the standard diesel engine's oil capacity will allow longer oil change intervals. High output, Powerstrokes with updated turbos, exhaust manifolds, and tunes create more power and torque. This high-output diesel engine will maximize towing, hauling. Diesel engines lack power figures too. Ford claims best-in-class gooseneck, fifth wheel, torque, and payload. Again, no final data. Ford claims the Super Duty frame is optimized. New sheet metal. New electrical design enables all the new innovation we'll discuss. Ford claims new shocks improve unladen ride. Predictable cab, bed possibilities. Regular, supercab, and crew cab Fords will stay. F250 and higher regular series will be available. Super Duty exterior design. Ford has 7 front grille designs. Ford says the grille wraps around the C-clamp LED headlights to make the vehicle look bigger and safeguard the headlights from low-speed accidents. Ford says bigger side vents are aerodynamic. Trail turn assist and tremor off-road package will continue in